Hi, my beauties. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and having a wonderful Sunday. Welcome to another episode of DIY Sundays. In this video, I'm going to talk about a DIY moisturizer that I have been using for the past couple of weeks that I whipped up at home. Something that has been working really well on my skin, has given me an even skin, very clear and very glowing skin as well. Not just that, it has worked really well on my mother-in-law's hyperpigmentation and acne scars. Now, if you're new here, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you've also hit the notification bell. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. And now, without further ado, let's dive right into this video.
So guys, here are all the things that you will need. Basically, I have a tub here. Now this is a Clinique moisturizer tub. I've made sure that this is clean. You can take any glass tub of your choice. What I have here is tea tree oil, which is an essential oil. Then I have the vitamin E oil, and both of the oils are from Deve Herbs. And I have aloe vera gel. This is organic aloe vera gel from the brand Soap Square. And then I have turmeric here. Now what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to fill this jar with aloe vera gel. I need exactly the same amount. Now if you will see, this is the Clinique jar, which is I think 30 ml. So I will be needing exactly the same amount. And I can preserve this for about 15 to 20 days in the refrigerator. So I'm making this DIY depending on how quickly will I be able to use this. And I have made this a few times before. That's why I know that this works perfectly for me. So I'm just filling this up with aloe vera. Okay, now that I have the aloe vera filled in here, I'm going to put the other ingredients and tell you the proportions. Please bear in mind that I do not use the plant aloe vera, as in I do not use from the plant directly, because I feel that does not suit my skin. It's very harsh on my skin. Now what I have here is the pure tea tree essential oil. Now guys, you have to be very sure when you're using tea tree oil that you are not using it directly on your skin, because essential oils are supposed to be diluted with another carrier oil or with something like this. In this case, it's aloe vera gel that I'm using. Now all I need for this much amount of DIY, because tea tree is an essential oil, I just need 1 drop of tea tree oil. That's the percentage. Please bear the percentage in mind. It's really important. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that 1 drop to this. While I'm mixing this, I would like to mention a few things. I do not apply this around my eyes because this has tea tree and tea tree can be irritating for the eyes. Secondly, if you do plan to go ahead with this or any other DIY or skincare hair care that I talk about on my platform, please do patch test, because all our skin concerns and skin types are different. What may work for me may or may not work for you. And if you have any certain skin condition, then definitely please do consult your dermatologist before using anything. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead and add the other ingredients. What I have here is turmeric. Turmeric, I have taken half of this wooden spoon. I'm going to add all of this and mix it well. Turmeric basically is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, works very well on eczema or hyperpigmentation, acne or acne scars as well. It evens out the skin tone. A very good ingredient in my opinion. And then I'm using some vitamin E oil, and vitamin E I've spoken a lot on my platform because it works very well on my skin. It has given me a very even toned glowing skin. Also, it's anti-aging. It takes care of any wrinkles and fine lines, any premature aging signs on your skin as well. So I'm just mixing it very well. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how I apply this moisturizer on my face.
Guys, one thing to note here is that vitamin E is a fat soluble oil, which makes it very easy to get absorbed into the skin. Not just that, because of its chemical composition, it is an oil that works really well with other essential oils. In this case, we used the tea tree oil, and it also makes it a perfect preservative. So I store this in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 days, and it works fine for me. I am going to zoom up and show you the texture of this. It's very, very beautiful and sunshine-like. It's extremely whipped up. Now I am going to take and show you how I use it at night. I basically take a little bit on my fingers and then apply it all over my face. Now whenever I have this on my face, I make sure that I don't have any white pillow covers. I have colored pillow covers, pillowcases in my bed, so that I don't land up staining my white ones. The other thing to note here is that I only, like I said, use it at night because of the fact that this has very hydrating properties. Many a times, if I'm not sleeping off with it, I will just wear it for about 3 hours and then wash off so that my skin absorbs all the goodness out of this. And then I will just use a serum and a moisturizer, a separate one. but usually I would just apply this and sleep off. Now this DIY works really well on my skin, but it works even better on my mother-in-law's skin because she has pigmentation and a little bit of discoloration around here on her cheeks. So this has really worked well for her. Also, she has very dry skin, so this has vitamin E oil. She has aged skin, so vitamin E is very good for her skin because that's also anti-aging. So yeah, both her and I together love this DIY.
So guys, with that, it's a wrap. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell. And until I see you next, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye-bye.